Alright, let's go! She Foundation Charity Run 2024, let's go! Good morning!
Go, go, go! Let's go!
Unang-una, kailangan natin mag-warm up para maiwasan natin yung biglaang injury while running. 4:26 AM to 4:38 AM, habang hindi pa nag-start ang run, tayo'y palakad-lakad baka sakaling may makilala tayo. Char! 4:45 AM, sama-sama na ang lahat para tunghayan ang programa na hinanda nila bago mag-start ang run. 4 minutes before gun time, there's a quick warm-up. So, pwesto na tayo. My personal record to beat in 10-kilometer run ay 1 hour and 20 minutes. I hope ma-break ko itong PR ko this time. So, good luck all runners. 2 km, let's go! Pag may cameraman talaga, bibilis ka talaga tumakbo, diba? Pokari, baka naman Thank you, Pokari. The best ka talaga, Pokari. Bumalik agad yung energy ko. 3 km, let's go! Going to third water station. Medyo sa part na ito, dinaanan ko lang. No need to refuel. Another Pokari. Good morning! Alright, hitting pagod. 4 km. Ha! Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Takbo lang. 5th station. Alagang Pokari talaga. 5 km. Let's go! 5 km. Turn right. Sabi ni Waze. This time, medyo binabagalan ko na yung takbo para unti-unti makarecover ng lakas. And to save energy na rin para magpatuloy. Tamang lakad muna. Ganda ng umaga. 6K, last 4 km to run. Let's go! Bakit ba ako tumatakbo? Dapat nasa bahay lang ako, natutulog. Pero run is fun, ika nga.
Good morning! Go, go!
5:45 AM, arrive at 6 Pokari Station of race.
Morning!
Morning! 7 km, let's go! Excuse me po. Gulat ka, te.
Paahon kasi. So, let's go!
7 station na Pokari.
Okay. Last 2. Last 2 km.
6:05 AM, 8 station, almost 1 hour running. This time, nagalo-halo na yung mga run category from 3 km, 5 km, and 10 km. Tara, bilisan na natin.
High five!
Ano nga ba ang mga health benefits ng running? Unang-una, running can improve mental health. Pangalawa, lower heart disease risk. Pangatlo, relieves stress and anxiety. Pangapat, improves sleep and boosts your mood. At marami pang iba.
One last km. Let's go! Station. Pokari. Let's go! Last 100 meters. Let's go!
Malapit na. Tanaw ko na yung finish line. Keep running. Go! Yun 10 km, 1 hour and 18 minutes run time. Alright, gotcha! Nice one! I hope next time may makakasama na tayo. There's always a room for improvement. Just keep going. Ganda ng medal Claiming freebies from sponsors. Haba ng mga pila. Kaya, ito lang yung mga nakuha ko from their sponsors. Nakilala tayo ni Bossing. Pre-unli taho. Pengi po. Tapos na. Tara, takbo. Follow for more. Bye. See ya.